Hi everybody, today we are going to see what is inside this party popper. Let us open this party popper and let us see. Open this, yeah, and there is a small thing that is inside the back side. You can open that, and it has a small button here. You can see with pressure, if you turn this, you can see what is inside. You can see the papers coming out of this. Oh, this is what is inside a party popper. Now you can see this one. It will when it will be in a compressed state. When you turn this, automatically it will blow up the entire papers, and the papers will be popped from the party popper. This is what is inside the party popper. You can see this the party popper, and let us see the things that is inside the party popper.